In this lesson, we will do exercise number 4, which is this file. At the beginning, this looks really very complicated for you, but this is not that much complicated. This sketch has very custom shape. So in that case, for this kind of sketch, you have to create the outer shape first, then step by step put the dimension. But one thing you have to keep in mind here, this sketch looks little bit complicated, but there are very few dimensions here. That means there are lots of geometric relation has been applied to control this sketch. So let's start this first. First I will make the overall shape first. I must have to attach any sketch entity with this origin to fix this sketch inside this 3D environment. I will take a line. I will start from this point. So this is my overall shape. Now I have to apply geometric relation and dimension step by step to fix this. Here this line has to be horizontal. Here this dimension is 15 and this is the same dimension applied with this. If you see this icon in front of this, that means this is equation and this dimension has been controlled by this dimension. Also it has parallel relation with this. Also if you see here, this is collinear relation between these two lines, which is this dotted line shows here. Here also this is equal relation between this line and this line. So let's do first all of this. I will select this and this. I have to make it parallel, but already this is parallel. I will put dimension between these two, 15. Then I will select this line. Now I can put 15, but how to link one dimension with another, which I will show you here. Press equal sign in your keyboard, then select this dimension, then press OK. Now this dimension is controlling this dimension. I will make collinear relation between these two lines. Also as well as I will put these two equal. Now I will put few dimension here. This is 35, 45 degree angle and 150 from outside to outside. Then I will put this 50, which is very important dimension here. And this shape gets little bit different. So I will move this line to top. Now here is the tricky part. If I move it top and bottom, you can see I have to put dimension from here to here, or I have to put dimension from this line to bottom or this line. But if we see here, there is no dimension, there is no vertical dimension, only dimension is this, which is controlling this circle position. Actually this is controlling by using this geometric relation, which is vertical. So between these 2 points, this is vertical, which I will apply. I will select these 2 points and make it vertical. Now you can see this is fully defined. Now right corner, you can see this is one chamfer 10 by 10. I will activate this chamfer, select this point, make sure this is 10, and this is the result. At last we have to add circle. First I will define circle position from bottom to center 70, and from this side to center 120 and diameter 25. We completed this sketch and this is fully defined, all are black, and also we reduced some dimension by putting geometric illustration, as for example this. If we don't put this, we have to put some dimensions to replace with this. Another thing, if you work with this kind of custom shape, try to make the shape first, then one by one add the dimension. Here you can see we are seeing lots of geometric relation. If you want, you can hide this. Now this looks lots cleaner.